If your posture is bad, your confidence drops, even if your life is perfect, because your body language talks before you do. And right now, it might be saying the wrong thing. When you slouch, your chest collapses, your breathing becomes shallow, your brain gets less oxygen, and your mind goes into low power mode. That's why poor posture creates low confidence, anxiety, low energy, neck and back pain, and poor focus. Studies show fixing posture increases testosterone, reduces cortisol, and boosts confidence within minutes. Your body literally changes your mind. Here's your 118-second posture reboot. 1. The wall reset. Stand against the wall, heels, back, shoulders, head touching it. Your spine learns the correct position instantly. 2. Chest opener stretch. Pull your shoulders back. Open your chest. This reverses hours of slouching. 3. The chin. Pull. Gently pull your chin backward, not up. This fixes forward head posture. 4. Confidence stance. Feet shoulder width apart, chest open, neck long. Imagine a string pulling you upward. Do this daily, and in just a week, your posture becomes automatic. Your body stands taller, your confidence speaks louder, and the world treats you differently. If you're ready to fix your posture, comment Posture Reboot. And don't forget to like plus subscribe for more 118-second transformations.